how to use AI to create a Wix website. So there are a few ways to do that. So as you can see, I already have a Wix website and I can click on AI tools. And as you can see here, I can simply use the AI to create content and place it anywhere I need it. And as you can see, you can get a ready to use section with text and images for any pages on your site. So you can simply select any of these, then simply select the section type, and then here you're gonna have to simply type in whatever the text should include. So let's say here, I don't know, so let's see, variety of yoga styles, and then you're gonna have to click on generate section. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply wait until the AI will generate the examples for us. And as you can see, we have here these examples, and we can simply click on it, or we can simply drag it on our website, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.